A group of Save-A-Lot stores in Chicago faces another delay. Walgreens settles claims that it overbilled Medicaid programs, and the Senate confirms the next leader of the Food and Drug Administration. Welcome to Retail Daily, your quick look at the top news from Supermarket News and CSP Daily News. I'm Supermarket News Senior Editor Bill Wilson.
And I'm CSP Senior Editor Hannah Hammond. Grocery store developer Yellow Banana has some final touches left to complete at several of its 6 Save-A-Lot stores in Chicago and is asking the city for another deadline extension, reports the Chicago Tribune. Yellow Banana had until the end of March to officially complete all of the store reopenings, and now will have an additional 6 months to finish the work. External signs still need installation at some locations, and the opening of the 6th and final store in West Lawn may be delayed until April as Yellow Banana waits for city inspections.
Walgreens has agreed to pay about $2.86 million to settle claims that it overbilled the Medicaid programs of Georgia and Massachusetts for certain generic medications over a period of several years. The claims had been brought by a whistleblower under the federal, Massachusetts, and Georgia False Claims Acts. Walgreens declined to comment on the settlement, which follows another recent settlement for $595 million related to a dispute with Everly Health Solutions over the administration of COVID tests.
The Senate confirmed Marty Makary to lead the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. The March 25th vote was 56-44. Makary, former Johns Hopkins University surgeon and author, will take over as Commissioner of Food and Drugs at the FDA and will also oversee several centers, including the Center for Tobacco Products.
Walmart is deploying an AI-driven platform from food and agriculture tech provider Cropin, the company said on Friday. The partnership will seek to enhance produce sourcing solutions across Walmart's U.S. and South American markets, Cropin said. The tech uses AI to improve yield forecasting, monitor crop health, and predict seasonal transitions with greater accuracy. The custom-built AI deployment will be the first of its kind, Cropin said.
Philip Morris International has named Seth Kaufman as the Chief Commercial Officer for its U.S. business. He will lead commercial strategy for smoke-free products, including Zen nicotine pouches, General Snus, and the IQOS heat-not-burn device, he said. Kaufman, who begins his tenure on March 31st, will report to PMI U.S. CEO Stacey Kennedy as a member of the U.S. executive team.
Maverick just rolled out an upgraded app. The C-store chain on Tuesday launched a new version of its rewards app that features what the company is calling a fresh, intuitive design, enhanced accessibility, improved performance, and an upgraded location map, all designed to deliver a more seamless user experience. Maverick said the app's redesigned user interface makes it easier to access favorite deals, freebies, benefits, and features, including Nitro Mobile Pay.
4 new officers have joined Dollar General: Nick Metzger, Steve O'Brien, Tricia Snyder, and Bill Steiger. The additions come shortly after Dollar General restructured its corporate office by laying off 60 corporate-level employees, and multiple vice president positions were eliminated. The retailer said the layoffs occurred in the store support center.
Weigel's launched gamification within its loyalty app in partnership with Rovertown. Weigel's coin catalog allows customers to redeem coins for in-store products. While up to 8 games can be active at once, Weigel's takes advantage of all 30 games that the Rovertown's game room offers, such as Candy Blast and Flappy Chicken.
Texas barbecue has come to Louisiana. Albert Oil on March 24th opened the first of 3 planned Dickey's barbecue restaurants in its Go Bears Food Marts in Louisiana. First Dickey's opened in the Go Bears Food Marts, a Gobert Oil wholly owned subsidiary, at an Interstate 49 stop in Grand Coteau, Louisiana. 2 more locations will open later in 2025. The second is planned for Go Bears Food Marts in Thibodaux, Louisiana.
And that will do it for today's episode of Retail Daily. Subscribe on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and more for your daily dose of retail news. For more on these stories, visit CSP Daily News and supermarketnews.com. I'm Bill Wilson.
And I'm Hannah Hammond. Have a great day.